Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and staying safe at your home. So, children, welcome back to the online classes from Wisdom School. And, children, you all must have also enjoyed your summer vacations, and I hope you all have done your holiday homework as well. So, children, one thing I would like to remind you that you all have to submit your holiday homework worksheets by 8th of July. Alright. So children, I am your reasoning and computer teacher Prachi, and today we will quickly recall what we have done in our online classes till yet in reasoning also and in computer also. Okay. So firstly, children, we will talk about reasoning. In reasoning we have done 3 chapters till yet. First one was patterns, the second chapter was measuring units, and the third chapter was geometrical shapes. Okay, and all the homework and worksheets and lectures are already provided to you. Okay, I hope you all have also done the revision of these chapters. So children, today we will begin with our class of computer. Okay, we have already done the introduction and now we will continue from where we have already left the chapter. In computer, children, we have started our first chapter. Okay, so come, let us start our class of computer. Children, this is your computer book. I have shown you in the earlier class, and also we have done a brief introduction about what does computer mean. Okay, and so we have started our chapter also, children, which was computer and electronic device in the last lecture, and today we will resume from where we have already left the chapter, okay, in the previous class. So in this chapter we have learnt about computer, few basics about computer in the starting of the chapter, okay, and what are the difference between computer and man. Okay, कंप्यूटर क्या वर्क करता है एंड मैन क्या वर्क करता है. सो वी हैव सीन different types of comparisons, okay, in the starting of the chapter. You have I hope you have read these comparisons also again in your vacations. So from today, children, we will begin with the working of a computer. Okay, so today you have to write the date, okay, and we will begin with this topic, working of a computer. Okay, means children, how will computer work, we will learn here in this topic. Okay, a computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instructions into the computer to make it work. Okay, so children, जो कंप्यूटर होता है इट विल नेवर एंड एवर वर्क ऑन इट्स ओन. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दिस. कंप्यूटर को हमेशा चिल्ड्रन लेटर्स, नंबर्स, पिक्चर्स एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस की नीड होती है टू मेक इट वर्क. ओके, इट विल नेवर वर्क ऑन इट्स ओन. ओके, वन मोर थिंग चिल्ड्रन, अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू, प्लीज underline what all terms or topics I am underlining, because these are very important terms. Okay, so these are called as data. अब children, computer कभी भी अपने आप work नहीं करेगा, so we will provide letters, numbers, pictures and instructions to the computer so that it will work. And these letters, numbers, pictures and instructions, इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे children? We will call it as data. Okay, आप इन सब टर्म्स को डेटा भी बोल सकते हो. ओके, सो डेटा के अंदर क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है चिल्ड्रन? फर्स्ट इज लेटर्स, नंबर्स, पिक्चर्स एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दिस. देन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर डू डिफरेंट टास्क. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर के चिल्ड्रन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं and each part has its own function to perform. Okay, so हर एक पार्ट जो होगा कंप्यूटर का वो अपना एक डिफरेंट टास्क परफॉर्म करेगा. A computer work in 3 basic steps. अब हम कंप्यूटर की वर्किंग देखेंगे है. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर जो होता है चिल्ड्रन, इट विल ऑलवेज वर्क इन 3 basic steps. You can see here. First one is input, then second one is process, and the third one is output. सबसे पहले आप इनपुट दोगे चिल्ड्रन कंप्यूटर को. ओके, देन कंप्यूटर के अंदर प्रोसेसिंग होएगी एंड देन you will get the final result or output. Okay, so here we have taken the examples of the computers working and we have taken some basic examples here. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो चिल्ड्रन, हमने पेंसिल का एग्जाम्पल लिया है. फर्स्टली इनपुट क्या होगा चिल्ड्रन? ब्लंट पेंसिल. ओके, पेंसिल विच इज नॉट sharpened. Okay, so it is called as blunt pencil. Now अब हम उस blunt pencil पे चिल्ड्रन वो इनपुट होगा, then we will do some processing on the blunt pencil. तो what we will do sharpening. Processing हम क्या करेंगे blunt pencil पे चिल्ड्रन which is not sharpened. We will sharpen the pencil and the output which we will get will be the sharpened pencil. At last the result you will get will be the sharpened pencil. आपकी pencil sharpened हो जाएगी. Okay, output में, result में. Now this is the basic example we have taken. Now another example from the day-to-day life. So first is input, second is process and third is output. Input में children हमने सबसे पहले डर्टी क्लोथ्स लिए. ओके, एंड देन प्रोसेसिंग में क्या होगा, डर्टी क्लोथ्स को हम वॉश करेंगे. ओके, एंड फाइनल आउटपुट हमें क्या मिलेगा चिल्ड्रन? वी विल गेट द क्लीन क्लोथ्स इन द रिजल्ट ऑफ द washed or dirty clothes. What we will get the result? We will get the clean clothes at last. Okay, so this is the example of basic examples of processing, how the computer works in these 3 steps, but these are the day-to-day life examples. Okay, we have not taken the example from the computer point of view. All right, now let us understand these 3 steps by taking an example of our body. अब हम एक example लेंगे हमारी body का children and we will understand these 3 steps. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears. जब भी teacher हमसे question पूछती है children, then we will hear with our ears and see with our eyes. और हम देखते हैं eyes से. The ears and eyes are the input units. Okay, so जो ears होंगे children and the eyes, ये दोनों क्या होंगे? These both will be inputs. Okay, so children ने हमसे teachers ने हमसे question पूछा. Okay, we will hear and see with our eyes. So these both will become the input. Now our brain stores everything that a teacher says. अब teacher ने जो भी बोला है student को, then the brain of the student stores everything, right? So then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. अब brain जो होगा children, it will become the processing unit. Okay, why? Because next step में children जो brain होगा उसकी working होगी. brain सब कुछ पहले store करेगा, then it will order you to speak or give the answer. Okay, so it will do the next processing and in this way the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, अब हम last में children output जो देंगे, result जो देंगे teacher को, we will answer with our mouth, so it will work as output unit. So our mouth will work as output unit because we are getting the result from our mouth. Okay, now children, in the next class we will study about inputs, process, outputs. Okay, in detail. So today children, you all have to again go through this chapter what we have read in the today's class. Okay, so that's all for class children. Thank you for watching.